done a video in quite a while, but you might recognize some of the pieces here. Found out that the main body of the pump came apart one more time. So that's cool. Makes my job a lot easier. I thought I was going to get this whole piece basically like that, and then I'd have to change all the ports, stuff like that, but nope, we just got this guy. I do have to remove 2 of the pegs out of here, or out of here, whichever one they want to come out of, I guess, and then reassemble the pump. So, yay! I don't know if I'll get it all the way into the excuse me, the backhoe today or not, but I should be able to get the lines hooked up. We don't have any new fluid, so I got to swap the fluid again due to the fact that we know it's got water in it. Yeah, it's split right there on that. Now that I see that, shit, we probably could have welded it back together, but I don't think this was too much. It's one little piece, so we're able to just replace that. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm also very happy I don't gotta take all these guys out and change them over. So I'm gonna get to work putting this guy back together. First, like I said, I gotta get these pins out of something here. Let's see. What do I got for tools? Pliers here. I don't know if she's got vice grips or not. Yeah, right there. Grab one of these 2 sets, see what I can get. Okay, well, I'll have another one for you here in a little bit. This will be pretty basic. Pull the pins, slide it on, slide that on, and then we're good to go. So, yay! Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.